at today, my brother?
Cape Greco, man.
Yes, brother, in Cape Greco, man. What a place to be, guys, you know?
Looks like a desert out here, man.
It looks like a desert, and it's literally in the back here, so right in behind me, guys. Literally right behind me, you know?
Look at the beautiful sea. Look.
And look at the beautiful sea we got there as well, guys. Everything there, you know?
Wicked.
So, yes, guys. And I'm not going to waste any more time, guys. We're going to take you over there and we're going to show you what you need to see over there, man. With my cousin.
Man. Let's go.
Let's go, man. And let us get into this video. Yeah. So the journey also from Ainapa as well. It's only about 20 minutes drive here as well, guys, you know. So it's amazing, you know. You can see the difference. But, you know, the way I was driving, guys, it was really fast, you know, my cousin as well, you know. So I'm sure you guys are going to see a couple of them clips as well, guys, you know. I have to be careful because it's very, very rocky here on the floor, guys. So I have to be very, very careful indeed, you know. It's a very rocky place, you know. And the reason why it's so rocky as well, guys, you know, we got all the caves, we got all that as well, guys. So that's what caused it. And it's not been man-made. Everything was naturally just made by itself, apparently. But anyway, guys, let's continue through this video.
No pressure.
Okay, so is it really deep? So
Jump this, man.
yes, my brother, you're gonna jump, yeah?
Go on. What? Still bumper. Yo! Jesus!
Oh, so it's really deep then?
Yeah, of course it is. Yeah, do that, man. You nuts, yeah?
Yeah. Someone said about 5 meters or something.
Yeah.
Side as well, guys. Look at the cliff over here. You see the cliff over the side? Hello, fans! Hey! Hello, hello, hello. This is like paradise, you know? This is like paradise. I love this. Wow. I was coming, you know, back that way, guys. Look at the view, guys, man. Just look at all this view, eh? Oh my god, man, it's a long walk. I'm so tired, guys. You can hear I'm breathing through the camera. So tired. It's a long walk up here. Oh my god. Also got another view to share with you as well, guys. Wow. Let's show you guys. Yes, you can see my supporters are standing there with my cousin. And yeah, let's have a look. Oh my god, wow. This is beautiful. Look at that, guys. Look at the sea and look over there. Ha! We got a sailing boat over there. And look at that view over there as well, guys. And look at the rocks as well. You know, is anyone swimming over there? I'm trying to see if I can spot any divers. Because sometimes you do have divers jump off there as well, guys. Okay, there was a cruise ship over there. So yes, the divers then was there earlier. Simple province life with Ate, you know, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juice here, right, guys, you know, it's really a good price, you know, so come here to Marrakesh, guys. The square market is beautiful, guys. Oh, look at the size of them, you know? Yeah, look at the color. You got such amazing color in here. Look at that. Oh, Ate Masarap. Discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American, 5 Filipinos.
What a ham! Rocket's video is very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. But you know, they're so amazing about my height here in the Philippines, guys. You know, so I'm very famous in this country.